The 2015 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, power driver's seat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.